This video gives a few examples of how to transition into the underhand behind the back weave. The first transition will be from circles on the side. From here, go into split time and then begin with a 2-beat underhand behind the back weave to get into it. People who can do the move are most likely familiar with this technique already. Doing it in flow may be as simple as getting somewhere like an overhand weave, turning to an underhand weave, opening it up, and then entering into the behind the back weave. So repeating that, you could be doing whatever you're doing in your flow, then you get into a weave, turn around to underhand, and then once it's an underhand, bring the circles to your side, and then enter into the weave. Another technique could be from chasing the sun, where you open it up as it's coming over the top, going through your legs, coming up in underhand in circles at your side, and then once again entering into the weave. So coming up over the top, stall between the leg, change direction, and then come into the underhand behind the back weave.